Welcome friends. So let's start with the algebra chapter part 2. Addition and subtraction up till now we had done. Now let's start with the multiplication part of this chapter. Now let's start with some small questions. Suppose we have to multiply this minus 10p into minus 3p cube. So how we are going to do this? First we will solve the numbers. Okay. So first we will take the fixed part, that is minus 10 multiply with minus 3. So first we will multiply the number and we will separate the coefficients p into p to the power 3. So what will be the answer here? Minus into minus is always plus, and 10 threes are 30, and multiply with, now in the first part of my video I explained the power of literal quantities. In that I will again give that link in the description box. You can see that how I had done that time, that base p as same. Now here nothing is there means it is 1 here. So when the base is same, we have to add the powers. So 1 plus 3, this 1 plus 3. So what will be the answer? 30 p to the power 4. So this is the answer for this type of this monomials. Okay. Now suppose if the question is m into minus mn into mnp. So how we are going to multiply this? Here nothing is there means it is plus sign. Okay. So here plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is again minus. So we'll put here minus sign. Now which are common here? M, M, M. All have M base as common. Now nothing here is means base is power 2 is 1. Here also 1 and here also 1. So we will add all the common base powers, multiply with, now m we have finished with n. N, okay, n we have here 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1. Again we have here one more variable p, which is single one power. Okay, so now we will write here minus, which is common for all, plus minus. In minus, minus into plus is minus. Okay, so m 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 into n to the power 2 into p. So our answer here will be minus m3, n2 and p. Here I would like to explain you once more. Plus into plus is plus symbol only for sign. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is always minus. And minus multiply with minus is always positive. So this also we have to remember. Like how here minus minus is plus. Now coming towards the next type of question. When we have to multiply now 6a multiply with a cube minus 7, and this is in the brackets. So how we are going to solve this? We will multiply 6a with this first term and then 6a to the next. So how we are going to do this step by step? 6a into a to the power 3 and multiply 6a into a3. Then what is the sign here? Minus. So we'll put here minus 6a into 7. So 6a multiply with 7. So see, this minus remained here common. We had just multiplied with both the numbers 6a. Now what will be the answer? Again 6a. Here it is 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So 6a to the power 4 minus 6 sevens are 42a. So this is the answer for this question. Now next question is p cube plus mn into ab multiplied with 0. So we know here anything multiplied with 0, the answer is always 0. Okay, whether it be algebra chapter or any chapter, anything multiplied with 0 means 0. Okay, now next type of question here is, we can see here x square multiply with 2x to the power 22 into 4x to the power 26. Now how we will do this? First we will take the numbers. Like before question we did, first we have to take into account the numbers. Here it is 1, here 2 and 4. So 2 multiply with 4, and then x and x here, all base is same. So we will just add the powers. 2 plus 22 plus 26. So answer will be 2 4s are 8. X to the power, when we will add this, then we will get here 50. So 8 to the power 8 into x to the power 50 is the answer for this type of question. Now coming towards the next type. Now next question lies here. You can see minus 10 into p into q to the power 3 divided by 3 into this number. So we have to understand here that this divided by 3 means it is whole divided by 3, because here all multiply is there. Same for this portion also. Okay. So first what we have to do, first step is we will take with some sign plus and minus and the numbers. So we will take separated minus 10 into divided by 3 into 6 by 5. So this is the number we separated. Now we will take these variables. P is common for both. Now once we had taken here 10 to the power 3 means this is done, and here 6 by 5. So multiply with P 1 plus 3, multiply with Q 3. Here what it is? 1. So plus 1. Now we will solve this. Minus into plus is minus sign will be there, and we will just simplify. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So here minus 4, 2 2s are 4, multiply with p to the raised to the power 4 into q raised to the power 4. So here answer is minus 4 p to the power 4 q to the power 4. So this is the answer for this type of question. Very easy. Now coming towards the next part. Now if this type of question is there, now you can see here this question is separated by 2 times here plus symbol. Okay, and rest is multiplication between the polynomials. Okay, so let's start. Now let's start with this. Now what we have to do here is, first we will take into account this portion. We will multiply first AC and then AD, then BC, BD. Okay, so with A both the terms, with B both the terms. So how we are going to do this? Equal to AC. Then what is the sign here? Minus. So we will put here minus AD. So A part is finished. Now we will start with the B part. Okay. So plus sign is here. BC. Again plus minus minus. So here we will write BD. Okay. So this is the first bracket. Now starting with the second bracket here. Again we will do the same thing. First we will take this A part, AC, AD, BC, BD. Okay, one by one. So what is the plus sign here again? Now we will do AC, AD, plus sign because here it is plus, AD. Now again minus and plus is minus. So we will write here minus BC minus BD. Why? Because here minus sign, here plus sign. So we will multiply here minus BD. This is the second bracket. Now further we will solve this. 2AC plus 2BD. Okay. Now we will solve again this part. Now AC and here AC. Now here plus sign is here. So in next step we will just open the bracket. Because here plus sign is here, so there is no sign changes in the sign. So AC plus AC will be what? 2AC. And here again 2AC. So how many? 4AC. Okay. AC plus AC 2AC plus 2AC is 4AC. Then AD, we will search for AD. Here is plus AD minus AD gets cancelled. Plus BC minus BC gets cancelled. Now what is left here is minus BD and minus BD. We cannot cancel because signs are same. So minus minus, we will put here minus sign and we will add both the 2BD. So this is like this. Now what is left here is plus 2BD. Plus 2BD. Now again why I wrote here so that you can understand well. Now this is minus 2BD and here plus 2BD. We will just cancel this. So answer is 4AC. So this is how we are going to solve this type of questions. Okay, one by one we have to take and multiply. Now coming towards the next. Now if the question relies like this, simplify 3x, multiply with 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x is equal to 3. So first we will simplify this equation. 3x, 4x minus 5 plus 3, that is equal to, first we will multiply this 3x with 4x and then this 3x with minus 5. We will simplify it. 3 4s are 12 x squared, x plus x, like 1 plus 1. For means we are adding the powers because base is same. 3x into minus 5 is what? 3 into minus 5 is minus 15x. Okay. Then plus 3. Now this is the algebraic expression we got here after simplifying this. Now we will put the value of x. So 12 into 3 to the power 2 minus 15 into 3 plus 3. Okay. Now 12 into 9 is 108 minus 45 plus 3. When we will solve this further, we will get here 66 as a answer. So this is the way when you put the value, we will just simplify the expression and then we will put the values here. Okay, coming towards the next question. Now again I will like to explain you how we multiply the binomials. Now first we will simplify this. How I explained you before, when this type of term is there, then first we multiply one term like with this, then again with this. So how we are going to do this, again I will like to explain you this. Okay, so first we will simplify 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square multiply with 4 into a square, then minus 4 2s are 8 by 3b squared. Okay, now we will simplify. See how we are multiplying the binomials. You will be very clear with this example. 3 by 4 a square multiply with this, then again this term with this. So what we will do here, we will take this as a whole in next step for multiplication so that you will clearly understand this. Again what is the sign here? Plus. So we will take this 3b square 4a square, again we will multiply this whole with this, minus 8 by 3b square. Okay, ultimately what we are doing, we are multiplying this term with this and again the same term with this. So we took this whole term with the first term, again this 3b square multiply with this whole. Now we will simplify 3 by 4 into 4 numbers into a to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 minus now 3 by 4 into 8 by 3 a square and b square. So we will take a square and b square. Okay, this is the first one. What about the second? 3 4s are 12 a square and b square. We will write as it is minus 3. Again we will multiply the numbers. We will take the numbers together and 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we will further solve this. 4 cancel. 3a to the power 4. 3 cancel. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Minus 2a square minus into b square plus. This is what? 12a square b square minus this 3 and 3 is cancelled. What is left is 8b to the power 4. Now you can see here these are like variables. So 3a to the power 4 plus 10. 12 minus 2 will be 10. A square b square minus 8b to the power 4. So this is the way how we are going to multiply the binomials. I did the same thing. The only thing here is I wrote here one more step. But basically what we are going to do is when we multiply this type of binomials, we take first term, multiply with this. Again this first term multiply with this. Again next step plus second term with this. Again the second term with this. So this is the way we are going to solve the binomial. So if you like my video, so please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.